words.
Oh my God.
Fish are sentient
No,
organisms.
no,
So of course they feel
no,
pain.
no. No, I don't care about fish. We don't need fish.
For those who think fish die gentler deaths, consider that their sensory organs are highly developed. Their nervous system's complex. Their nerve cells very similar to our own, and their responses to certain stimuli immediate and vigorous. Erroneously assumes that the value of wild animals is reducible to their utility relative to human interests, especially economic interests. But wild animals are not a renewable resource, having value only relative to human interests. That perception can only be that of a speciesist. Nevertheless, these practices exist only because we do not take seriously the interests of other animals.
I do. Doesn't mean if I eat bacon, I don't.
In this light, are humans not the most callous speciesist of all?
Uh-oh. This one's gonna be terrible.
Be a form of medical
No, it's just a little baby animals, dude.
The reason for experimentation of this type is to allegedly discover cures for human ailments and illnesses. But those who hope to find remedies for human ills by inflicting deliberate sufferings on animals commit two fundamental errors in understanding.
This is terrible.
The first is the assumption that results obtained on animals are applicable to mankind. The second concerns the inevitable fallacy of experimental science in respect to the field of organic life. Since animals react differently from human beings, every new product or method tried out on animals must be tried out again on man through careful clinical tests before it can be considered safe. This rule knows no exceptions.
Oh my God.
Tests on animals are not only dangerous because they lead to wrong conclusions, but furthermore, they retard clinical investigation, which is the only valid kind. Just remember the fact that any disease deliberately provoked is unlike any disease that arises spontaneously. Unfortunately, such methods still sail today under the flag of science.
Okay, everybody, that was the last part, and hope y'all enjoyed. Like and subscribe. Bye. That was the most disturbing thing I've ever seen in my life. Bye. Woo.